Yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamilah Michelle, and this is a Amazon wig review. A glueless human hair lace wig, 10-inch bob, pre-colored, pre-plucked for $61. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to take some Got2b glue gel, glue down my edges, and then I'm going to take my nude cap. Once my edges are out the way, put it on and then spray it down with freeze spray. Once I spray it down with the freeze spray, you want to spray right after your hairline so that you can blow dry it and cut off the excess and just have enough room for the wig to actually stay on and stick to the cap and not your edges. So next I'm just taking some Super Stay by Maybelline and I'm just trying to blend out that cap indication line and then taking that color back into the cap a little bit. I did use the same powder for the lace on the wig and I just pat it into the lace under the wig. Next, I'm taking some Got2b gel to gel down those leftover parts of the wig cap that won't come off via scissors. I saw Pisces Finest do this and I thought that was perfect because I definitely was like, how am I going to cut this down without it lifting? And because I can't cut it down all the way, I'm going to glue it. So I'll glue it down until it's dry clear and then I blow dry it just to secure it after that. So don't mind me trying on this wig. I didn't straighten it all the way, so ignore that part. But now we're going to start gluing and I'm just trying, again, Pisces Finest technique with the freeze spray. I do have Ghost Bond gel, or glue rather, but I just did not want to use that my first time doing this. So yeah, I just did the freeze spray method. In terms of the lace that was already on the wig when it came, I cut it off beforehand. Just because I have a hard time with cutting out my head. I don't know why, I just do. But anyways, I take some freeze spray and just like she did, I just spray the areas and I part just a small section before the baby hairs. I spray and then I dry it down and then I'll comb it back and freeze spray the baby hairs right on the hairline. And she did this for both sides and I did the same thing for both sides of this wig. And again, just parting a small section from the hairline, spraying the freeze spray, blow drying it, and then just letting it dry until it's completely glued down. And then I just do the same thing for the edges. And I like the technique. It definitely worked. So yes, the hair is pretty much straight. I am absolutely obsessed with it. It's so cute, so mystical. So now we're gonna get started with styling the hairline and the baby hairs. So I'm sectioning off the right side because I never wear my hair on the right side, only on the left. So I'm following Kiasha Jabri's baby hair method, and I'm just gonna take the baby hairs that I pre-cut. I'm going to gel them down and see how they lay, and then I'm going to cut them with a razor to shape them up a little bit, and then go back in with some gel just to lay them down a little bit more. Sorry, it's so late. But I think I'm just about done playing with this wig. I'm not gonna do anything special to my face because I want to review. This is my first time doing a glueless lace front wig. A human hair lace front wig, period. I got this wig from Amazon and the company is called Smart Innov. Just saw the wig and I was like, oh, this is cute. So I got this wig in about 8 inches. It's a bob. It came pre-plucked and I got this in the color mint green, about $61. A glueless human hair lace wig, 10-inch bob, pre-colored, pre-plucked, for $61. So this is a 13x4 parting space and it's about 180 density, so it's pretty thick. I can't make this up. It's pretty thick. I have no cons about this hair. I love it. I think it's super cute. Very like summery, festive type of vibes. It's perfect wig for beginners, I think. So I definitely would say get this. And they have multiple colors. Like I believe they have pure green, they have red, they have blonde, a natural rich red, burgundy. Like it's limitless. In terms of the parting space, all I did honestly was use some Super Stay by Maybelline foundation, and I just put some foundation on the underneath the cap, so like right on the lace. And then as far as my hairline, I didn't try to do too much. I just tried to create some baby hairs and my little swoops. And in terms of my technique, in terms of gluing it on, I just follow Pisces Finest, where you just spray the Got to Be Glued free spray. So just Got to Be Glued free spray and Got to Be Glued hair gel. These are the only 2 items I use in terms of glue. So I would just try any and every one of these just because my experience was so good. And then I don't know if y'all can tell, but this was a middle part that I tried, which it could still be a middle part, and it still I think would be cute as a middle part, but that's not what I was going for. I was going for a side part, so I'm gonna stick to my side part. And I love it. I used to wear my hair like this, like my natural hair like this. I would have it personally cut like this through college, and I would style it like this all the time. So this is literally just how I wear my natural hair, just what color. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna be wigging it out from like now on because I literally love wigs. For this to be like my first one, I'm definitely feeling it. I definitely think it's cute. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like videos like this, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't